Are you ready?
Yeah.
Are you excited?
Yeah.
I'm excited.
I'm excited.
Okay, let's try.
Oh. Cry. 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 Cry.
Later na yung wheel. Oh, you try to write again. You try to write again. Go.
Hawak ka the wheel.
Okay, hawak while writing. Go, hawak while writing. You write. Go.
It's pretty for that.
What do you want to write? Is it the straight line or the slant line?
It's
Or
a
do you want the
wheel.
curved one? Curve. This one a curve. Curve. Go.
Go.
Oh, go.
Get
You move. You move.
Cry. Cry.
Oh, sige na.
Cry.
Later na ang scene. 2. Mikey, look. Look. I'll get the wheel. Sige. You see this?
You see this?
You write na.
Wow.
Oh, you write. This one. This one. This one. Go. Ito pinubura mo. You write. Go. Write.
Pieces.
This one. This one. Very good.
Piece.
Very good.
Piece.
The other one.
Piece.
The other one.
Piece.
How about this?
Piece.
Straight line.
It's piece.
Straight line.
Monster trucks is moving.
Yes.
Monster trucks is moving. Monster trucks is moving.
Go. This one.
Monster trucks is moving.
Oh, you're right.
Monster trucks is moving.
You focus here. Go in 3, 2, 1. Focus. 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 Yay! Ang galing ni Mikey. Oh. Wow! Ang
Focus.
galing. Ang galing. Ang galing. Ang galing. Ang galing. Ang galing ni Mikey. Ang galing ah! Oh, this one pa. This one. This one.
Rock battery.
Ready? This one. This one. Continue mo lang. Dali, continue. This one. Continue.
A tail. Tail, yes. Tail.
Go, here.
So big.
That's me, my dice. Go. Look. Look. Ah, wheel is missing na.
Nice.
That's done.
It's a motorcycle.
Yeah, another motorcycle. Oh, show me, Ma, that you're writing. Oh, another one. Here.
Cry.
Very good.
Cry.
Another one. Another one.
Cry.
Very good. Oh, how about this one? Wow, Mima is there.
Cry. Cry. You cry. Cry.
Focus. Almost there. Slowly. Slowly. Focus. Okay, what about the other one? This one. This one. This one. Ganito kasi yan. Oh. Look at nanay. Kay nanay ang tingin. Mikey.
Kalabaw. 1, 2, 3.
High five.
Kalabaw.
Yay! Congrats, Mikey. Are you happy?
Yeah.
Do you want to write again? Yeah. No? No. I say bye, guys.
Bye guys.
Please follow
Play.
Nainay Zuna.